Hi, I'm Karyl from sunny Queensland, Australia. I'm here at the Health Oasis on the beautiful Koh Samui Island. Well, I'm here to do the 28-day total transformation and I'm now 3 weeks into that. I chose the program at the Health Oasis because I found after doing a lot of research with the program that's offered here, it suited my needs because you can start whenever you want, finish whenever you want, and it has such a wide range of extras that are available, and number one for me was the lovely massages every day. If you're thinking of doing a detox, my advice would be to take control of your life and look for a place exactly like the Health Oasis that has got everything here for you. I was in a real bad state when I came here, and I just feel with all the medicines and stuff that I'd been taking for breast cancer, it was just bogging me down. And from day one here, I just feel like the load's been lifted, my body's cleansed. The detox program here has changed my life, like with all the lectures, the talks. I've learnt so much that I thought I already knew, but yes, from now on I'm going to go home and change the things I do, what I put into my body and what I put on my body and everything. My whole life has changed.